Welcome back to the channel. This episode is all about the off-road, about camping, overlanding, and just checking out the wilderness. We got the best camp spot. This is actually going back about a year now. We were here and there was actually a forest fire. So, cut to that clip right now. So our camping trip's a little short. Just you can hear it in the background. There's a water bomber that's circling us. We came back. We wanted to do this one again. There is plenty of room for trucks. The boys are coming. And also, check it out. This beautiful stream. This weekend what we're doing is testing our setups for a bigger expedition that's planned for this fall. I got a new set of traction boards to test out. We're going to give them a rip, and most importantly, we are going to really just enjoy the outdoors. It has been a bit of an interesting summer on the work front. Now we get to play. So we're going to do some awesome off-roading and some really great overlanding with the family. So stick with us. Part of the beauty of being in Alberta is that we just have a lot of these open spaces that we can go to. So we're down the Forestry Trunk Road, getting towards the Crow's Nest Pass. It's beautiful down here. We might throw a line, wet a line as the Australians say. Guys, so one of the things that we love doing out here is actually cooking. So we got a little bit of hamburgers on the hot plate pan. Have some burgers tonight, but as you can see, just a beautiful spot. Guys arrived. We're gonna enjoy this, and yeah, we'll do a little bit of wheeling tomorrow. So hopefully find some good trails.
Smells good.
What do you think? What'd you have, friend? Produce.
Quesadillas.
Quesadillas. Burgers. I mean, we're keeping it simple. Keeping it simple. Second day here. We're going to do some wheeling today. Camp was amazing last night. Burgers on the grill. The guys had a few other things, but yeah, we're going to go up there. Okay, so the river crossing wasn't that crazy. We're just gonna go up here a little bit further. The main river's up here. You know, we're on the trail, but you know, at the same time, just gotta be a little bit smart. There's another access point that we want to take a look at as well. That we'll probably have to circle around for, but we'll make it as interesting as possible. So yeah, we got to the end of that trail. You know, it's just not applicable for what we're doing. So we're gonna switch around and go out and find that other trail to the top of the mountain. So let's go on a little adventure. So as we said before, basically the entire K country and eastern slopes is actually grazing land as public land. So there's just cows in the middle of the road up here. You know, I don't know what to tell you, but yeah, pretty cool. There was a little baby calf with them, and you know, we've seen the cows at camp before. Maybe I'll put a clip in here from last year, but yeah, they're all over the place. So be careful if you're ever driving out here. All of a sudden there could be a cow. Normally it's just moose in Canada. While we were cruising around, we wanted to find a place to try out these new Fieryred traction boards from Vic OffRoad. Unfortunately, the dry conditions meant we had to change our plans. Okay guys, one of the things I wanted to test this weekend was actually these fiery traction boards. And yeah, unfortunately it's so dry out here. Look at the dust. You know, we haven't had any situations where we need to use traction aids, but they do have another cool feature, and that is this integrated jacking point. Unlike a lot of the other traction boards, they don't have this. I've always kept a piece of plywood in the back of my truck just so that we can jack using the ball jack in case you know, we need to change the tire in soft terrain. So what we're going to do is try this out. We're going to slide this onto the truck, put the ball jack on it, and just try to lift it up. All right, so we'll just slide these under and check it out. Okay, we get it set up there. Start jacking. Just going up. Yeah, this actually makes a lot of sense having this place on the board. Makes it a lot easier. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more helpful to have this kind of setup. This is a little bit uneven terrain, and that board I'm able to slide it in and out. So it's a lot easier to do this, although I'm still laying on the ground. Yeah, this is a good idea. So anyways, we took the weight off of it. It's definitely up. So we'll pull this back out and put everything back away. But yeah, I think these are pretty decent boards so far. So we'll continue to keep on working with them, and then definitely try them out in the winter when it gets a little bit cold. But yeah, check them out, link in the description, and give those guys a follow on their social media channels.
Nice gnarly trails on the right after this little crest. No, you're not going to get up that one.
Challenge accepted. Okay guys, that's it for this time. We'll leave you with a little cinematic at the end here of this beautiful gorge on the way out to the highway. Great trip, got a lot of fishing in and exploring. So as always, please subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell, because that lets you know we got a new one up, and comment. You know, did you like this trip? I know it wasn't terribly technical on the overland side, but definitely loading everything up, having both kids with me this time, definitely showed me where we need to work on a few things. So we're gonna keep on coming back to you with more and more content. Stick with us. Thanks again, and have a safe and enjoyable week. Thanks.